Could monkeypox be the next pandemic? Is monkeypox as deadly as COVID? Will monkeypox affect travel? All these buzz about monkeypox. What do the symptoms even look like? Well, these and many more are the questions running through the minds of millions of people around the globe. In this video, I am going to satisfy your curiosity. First, let us establish the fact that monkeypox, the viral disease having some semblance to smallpox, is anything but new. It was first discovered in 1958 among laboratory monkeys in Denmark, and this is obviously where it got its name from. Well, mankind would have been spared a couple of deaths if this disease had stayed with its natural host, which is widely believed to be rats, squirrels, and well, monkeys. Unfortunately, that didn't happen. The first documented cases in humans was in 1970 in 6 children who were not vaccinated for smallpox. It is believed that being vaccinated for smallpox confers some kind of protection against monkeypox. Confirmed cases of monkeypox have gradually increased over the years, leaving a few deaths on its trail. However, the 2022 outbreak has had the US administration declaring monkeypox a public health emergency in the United States. According to the CDC, almost 32,000 cases of monkeypox have been confirmed in a total of 89 countries, with the US having the highest number of confirmed cases at the time of making this video.
Wait. What?
Yes, sadly, the number of confirmed cases keeps rising every day, with a few deaths recorded in West Africa. You don't have to be worried though. Health professionals have asserted that monkeypox is rarely fatal, with a case fatality ratio of about 3%.
Case? What case? What's going on here?
Now, before you start worrying your head about what case fatality rate means, chill, let me explain. It's simply the proportion of people diagnosed with a certain disease who end up dying of it. And in the case of monkeypox, it's established to be just 3%. To be more accurate, it's about 1% to 6%. And since every life is important, even this number isn't too small. The main symptom of monkeypox is an unexplained rash that gradually spreads to the arms and to the legs, most times accompanied by fever and headaches, just like any other illness. Sure, you don't like the sound of that. But how is monkeypox even transmitted? Monkeypox is mainly transmitted through close contact with respiratory secretions or skin-to-skin contact with an infected person. It is also worth mentioning that over 95% of confirmed cases are gay people. But wait, this isn't a time to increase social stigma for the queer community, but a time to avoid close contact as much as possible. Report all symptoms and get vaccinated if you can. Hi, I'm Akilons, and this is my first ever YouTube video. I went extra length to find resources for this video, and if you're enjoying the video so far, try hitting the like button. This will help the YouTube algorithm suggest new contents when I post them.
Just do it.
Indeed, the truth must be told. Even though monkeypox isn't considered an STD, it is mainly transmitted through genital fluids and secretions. So, this is a time to practice safe sex and, if possible, try abstinence. On a lighter note, this particular strain of monkeypox is not as highly contagious as COVID, but it definitely spreads. And as more cases of monkeypox are getting detected, concerns around the disease are also on the rise. Because for all we know, this could end up taking us by surprise and getting out of hand. And I, for one, ain't too eager for a playback of the COVID-19 experience. Thankfully, Newer vaccines are being developed against monkeypox. Hopefully, this outbreak is contained before the mass movement of people during Christmas holidays. The central message to take away from this video though is don't panic, but be cautious.